How to delete trip history on Uber. Now, there is no straightforward way to delete the trip history on Uber. However, there are two workarounds. The first step is to delete the individual trips, and the second way is to delete your entire Uber account. Now, for option one, you want to launch open Uber. Make sure to log into your account. Then, tap on the account icon at the bottom right corner. From here, tap on Activity. Now, choose the trip you want to delete. Scroll down and tap on Delete Ride option. This option is only available for trips that are less than 30 days old. You can remove these specific trips from your history in this way, but this only deletes the record from your app view. Uber can still retain the data on their servers for legal or regulatory purposes. The second option is to delete your entire Uber account. To completely erase your trip history and personal data, you must delete your entire Uber account. For this, tap on the account icon at the bottom of your screen, tap on Settings, now tap on Privacy, now tap on Account Deletion, tap on Confirm, enter your phone number or email address, tap Next, enter the 4-digit code sent to your email address. Then follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your identity and submit the deletion request. Then your account will be deactivated for 30 days. If you don't sign in during this period, your account and all associated data will be permanently deleted. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.